Once you have your paper, fold it in half nicely. Make sure the ends are in line with each other before you fold the paper, or else the airplane will end up flying poorly. Next, fold each corner in toward the middle of the paper. Leave some room in between the two corners, or the next step can get messy. Take the corners again and fold them toward the middle of the paper, just like in step 2. Your paper airplane is almost complete. Fold the entire paper in half using that fold you made in step 1. Next, fold each edge down, making it parallel to the bottom of the airplane.